Experts predicted that timeshare companies would demand disproportionate fee increases in 2023. Resorts have historically used adverse conditions to profit at the expense of their members. They charged full fees during the pandemic. This is despite staff wages being paid by government furlough schemes. And other costs, such as electricity and cleaning, being reduced to practically zero. Currently, general inflation is around 10%. Yet McDonald Resorts in Scotland have announced maintenance fees in excess of 30%. And they've also warned that all their clubs should expect similar increases. Both in the UK and Spain, McDonald Resorts are unlikely to be alone in raising their fees so drastically. Timeshare companies used to have two separate income sources. They had high-pressure sales operations, signing up new members. Almost all this revenue was profit. Timeshare companies got very rich in the 80s, 90s, and early part of the 21st century. Then they had maintenance fees, supposedly to keep the resorts in pristine condition. But members were charged far more than was required for maintenance. There were seldom contractual limits to fee increases. When sales dried up, resorts became more brazen about maintenance increases. In some resorts, it now costs less to stay via Booking.com than members pay in maintenance. Resorts want to increase their fees every year by as much as they think they can get away with. But if they push costs too sharply, they risk a member revolt. Like a metaphorical frog allowing itself to be gradually boiled into oblivion, timeshare customers have historically tolerated escalating maintenance fees, provided they were gradual. Get in touch with our team for a free, no-obligation consultation on timeshare relinquishment or compensation claims.